Entrance of Busch Gardens Williamsburg. We're going to take you on a walking tour, walking directions on how to get from the entrance to Busch Gardens Williamsburg to Pantheon. So it's 5.3K summer 2025, and we're going to show you how to get there on a walking directions, starting at the entrance to the park. And here we go. Here's the main. You can either go right, straight, or left. So follow our lead. You speed it up a little bit, and here we go. That three-way, you're gonna go at that three-way. You're gonna go to the left, very to the left, past the, what are these, donkeys? Nah, I don't know the exact name of them. You should pass them to the sky ride. Oh, the railroad tracks are there. You're gonna go straight towards the Escape from Pompeii, which is the water ride. As you see us right here on our right, you'll pass that water ride and keep it going. Bridge through the forest, and when you get here, so you see Turkey here. You'll pass Turkey on your right. You'll veer to the left over this bridge here. Right to the left over the bridge. Pantheon is over here. Getting close. Once you get to this bridge here, cross over the bridge. And here we are, Pantheon. 5.3K POV, here we go, with walking directions.
Harness the speed and strength of 5 Roman gods as you conquer Pantheon.
For now.
All right, Pantheon 5.3K, Busch Gardens Williamsburg.
Happy birthday, Shannon. Happy 10th birthday. Woo!
Both trains we've been on, there's been a birthday.
The world's fastest launch coaster.
Multi-launch coaster.
Multi-launch coaster. Oh yeah. Man, that was a good one. So that was Pantheon 5.3K summer 2025 Busch Gardens Williamsburg with walking directions taking you to the station.
Enjoy the rest of your day at Busch Gardens.
Busch Gardens, Pantheon.